Hello everyone. If you find this video interesting, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for returning to see what is new here. Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank. Those cabinets above the driver area there, and before I installed these struts, it was a one hand holding that shelf and the other hand putting stuff in. So I went ahead and got these struts installed. I purchased these on Amazon from Camper's Paradise. They're back east in North Carolina. They cost $6.92 a set. I purchased 3 sets. Shipping was $7 out here to the West Coast. I didn't pay any tax. So I would highly recommend them for these RV Designer H277 plastic door support. Okay, there's 2 of these struts per one package. This end here will be screwed into the actual door, and this will be screwed into the door jamb. After opening this up, that little cabinet door, pretty lightweight, there's a significant amount of spring loading on this strut. I may not need 2 of them in there, but they're plastic, they are spring, they're not hydraulic. I think I will start with one and see how the cabinet functions with one. Okay, check this out. This is the screw that came with this strut. It looks like it's a regular sheet metal screw. It's colored bronze, but it really has sort of a funky Phillips drive to it. I'm going to use a drywall screw. One thing about this 6 1/4 inch strut for this particular cabinet is it's pretty tight, so you won't find instructions with these kind of brackets. You just got to finesse them in there with a little experience. So hopefully this helps. Things to look for when you install these to make sure that this arched flange here is away from the door frame. You want to enable that strut to collapse into that space. It's mounted here and 2 screws up in here, and you want to make sure that you're about 3/4 of an inch away from the edge so that you're not penetrating into the door molding if that's what you have in your coach. Very nice upgrade. Wish it came from the factory that way. Makes it much more functional. Well, that completes this upgrade. Thanks for watching.
Bye.